In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively enhance your presentations by adding animations to your text. This is a great way to capture your audience's attention and emphasize key points, making your slides not only informative, but also engaging. First, let's dive into the process of adding text to your slide. It's important to start with a clear and concise message. Open your presentation software and navigate to the slide where you want the animation to appear. Click on the text box tool usually found in the toolbar. Once you've selected the tool, click on the area of the slide where you want the text to show up. A new text box should appear, and you can begin typing your desired content. Be sure to use a readable font and size, something professional yet eye-catching, which suits the theme of your presentation. Now that you have your text in place, it's time to add some animations. Animations can serve multiple purposes. They can make elements appear or disappear, or even move and change on the screen. They help to direct the audience's attention exactly where you want it to be. You'll want to go to the Animations tab, typically located at the top of the software interface. Click on it to reveal a variety of preset animation options. You'll notice there are a few categories to choose from, like entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion paths. Each category gives a different effect. So take a moment to experiment by scrolling through and previewing how different animations might work with your text. If none of the preset animations are exactly what you're looking for, many programs offer the option to add custom animations. This allows you to modify the direction, speed, and sequence of the animations to tailor-fit your presentation needs. To do this, look for an Add Animation button, or something similar. Click on it, and it will allow you to layer multiple animations on a single text box. For example, you can have text fade in and then bounce out, creating a more dynamic effect. After choosing the animations, the sequence is key. You'll want to align the timing and order of your animations with your verbal presentation to avoid any awkward pauses. This can be adjusted in the animation pane or timeline, where you can set triggers or timings to start with a click or automatically. Play around with these settings until you achieve a fluid and synchronized effect. Finally, once you're satisfied with how it looks, it's crucial to save your work. There's nothing more frustrating than losing your progress due to a sudden power outage or computer glitch. Make it a habit to frequently save your presentation, either locally on your device or in the cloud if your software supports it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to add text animations to your presentations, making them more engaging and compelling. Thanks for watching, and be